Hey guys, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. So for today's video, we're showing you these stress balls or stress eggs. So I actually have used these in the past. Not these particular, I have other ones. And this is what they look like. So they basically look like eggs. You have different, how would you say that? Some are softer than the others. For example, this one, you can really squeeze it easy. Black one is a little harder, and so is the green one. The green one's pretty hard. And yeah, when you're stressed, you just grab one or two of these and you squeeze them, and it helps release stress, anger, anxiety, and so much more. You know, it's simple. It's a simple thing, but it does work. It's been proven. So yeah, so the green one feels like the green one's the hardest, the black one's second hardest, and the purple one is the least hardest.